so that it becomes not only an employer, our country entails a broad area possible to Kenya to stimulate local sports. The plan has set out commitment for the continental tournament before and in 2019. Okay, Mr. President. None of us has had the opportunity of hosting this important continental tournament before. We hope that our joint bid will motivate all our sides not only to qualify for the 2027 tournament, but also excel beyond previous achievements by our individual countries. We also intend to launch a compelling bid that will succeed in winning us this very critical opportunity to make Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania the epicenters of regional and continental footballing resurgence.